We have been given a trapezium where the lengths of the two parallel sides are x plus 6 and 3x minus 4, and the height is x minus 1. I'm told that the area of the trapezium is 119 centimetres squared. I need to show that 2x squared minus x minus 120 is 0. So we know the area of the trapezium is a half a plus b times height, where a and b are the two parallel lengths. So I can say a half of x plus 6, that's my a, plus 3x minus 4, that's the b, so half of a plus b, multiplied by the height, which is x minus 1. That has to equal 119. The area of the trapezium is equal to 119. Let's try and simplify this now and make it look like this. So the first thing I'm going to do, collect up the like terms in this bracket. So x plus 3x is 4x. 6 minus 4 is 2. Now we have a couple of different options. We could expand this bracket out here and then half it. I could half the 4x plus 2 and then expand the bracket, or I could times both sides by 2 to get rid of the half. Different options, they're all absolutely fine. I'm going to half this just because both of these can be divided by 2 nice and easily, and that makes the problem simpler. So half of 4x plus 2 is 2x plus 1. So we get to that. Now I'm going to expand these brackets. So 2x times x is 2x squared. 2x times minus 1 is minus 2x. 1 times x is x. 1 times minus 1 is minus 1. Collect up the like terms here. So I've got 2x squared. Minus 2x plus x is minus x. Minus 1 equals 119. If I take the 119 away from both sides now to make it equal to 0, then I get minus 1, take away 119 is minus 120, which was what I needed to show. So that's part A done. Part B finds the value of x, so I want to actually solve this. This will factorise nicely, so you can try and factorise it, or this is on the calculator paper, so we can use the quadratic formula for this. So if I use the quadratic formula with a being 2, b being minus 1, c being minus 120. So remember the quadratic formula is minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac, all divided by 2a. So substituting minus 1 in here and here, 2 in here and here, and the minus 120 in here on my calculator, I will get minus bracket minus 1, so this is my minus b, plus the square root of minus 1, that's my b squared, minus 4 times a, which is 2, times c, which is minus 120. Make sure you put brackets around the negative. All divided by 2a, so 2 times 2. There we go. So x is equal to 8, or obviously that's the plus version. I need to come back up here now and work out what it would be if instead of having a plus there, I had a minus. So let's delete the plus, put a minus instead. I get minus 7.5. which obviously doesn't make sense to have a negative value of x in this context of this question. So x is 8.